So the very first thing we got to do is drain our pineapple. And it's got to be really, really drained really well. So I'm going to divide this in half after it gets drained. And we're going to put half of it in the cake and half of it in the bread. So we are making pineapple white cake. So in a bowl, I got 2/3 cup of butter. Into that, we're going to add 2 cups of sugar. And then we're going to cream these together. So now we're going to add, alternately, we're going to add 3 cups of flour and a cup of milk alternately until we get it all mixed in. I'm going to add some milk here. So to the cream, sugar, and butter, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Then we're going to add our pineapple that has, hold on. We're going to add our pineapple to that, which has been added 2 teaspoons of flour. Now we're going to beat 5 egg whites until they're stiff but not dry. So to the egg whites, we are adding 4 teaspoons of baking powder. So now we got to mix in our egg whites, and note to self, make sure you wash the pan, wash your bowl. So I'm going to mix this in. The egg whites, I did beat them, but they never got stiff, y'all. So this recipe calls to have the oven at 375 degrees. It says to bake in layer pans or a loaf pan. I'm baking in a 13x9. So the temperature may vary on that. The time, I mean. So I'm going to pat it so we get all the, we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven. And it's supposed to bake for 25 minutes. So we'll see how long it takes for the 13x9.